I gave you my heart.
All right. Dapper Cracker back at you. Man, we're going to cut a video today on how to replace your high pressure power steering line on a 93, 94, 95 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. This little thing is a bitch, and that's being kind about it. There's your power steering pump, and it goes down under there and goes on top of the alternator. I know you really can't see anything, but the alternator's down on the bottom. Now what I had to do is drop the flipping subframe. We're going to crawl under here and show you. Alright, I had to take a jack and set it under the subframe and drop these two bolts there and there to gain access to the line. And it comes across your rack right here, so you're going to have to drop the exhaust. You can see where the O2 sensor is, where the exhaust come out, so you're going to have to drop it. It's just 6 bolts. You've got 4 back here at the collector. Give me just a second here. Got 4 there and 2 right there, and that will get you access to, see if we can see it, that power steering line right there. You can see where I'm highlighting it. The silver line, that's your high pressure line. It's not going to be easy, guys, especially fishing that thing from this side over here. It is going to suck royally. But you see the new line right there. It's not going to be fun, but it can be done. Oh goodness. And we'll save you about $375 because the part's only $37, but that's what it looks like. It is no fun. You can see where it just went south on you right there, and it will come with the wire loom on it, and that's the other end that bolts into the power steering pump, and this is the part that bolts into the rack. Maybe that'll help you guys. Dapper Cracker out.